Hello, and thank you for looking at this demonstrational video for the Tweet Manager. This is obviously the introductory page to the software. This is the spreadsheet that you get when you purchased it. Your company name would be in there. The software is registered in your company name. That's all locked in there in place, just to try and prevent some distribution of this. The whole idea behind this spreadsheet is in order to actually give ratings to different tweets based on the number of retweets or favorites that you receive. So the idea here on this front page is just to fill in the points that you want to give to each one. So I've said a retweet's worth 3 points. You can give them anything between 0 and 3. So retweets 3, favorites 1. You could put them each at 1 point, or 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, whatever combination you want. Obviously between 0 and 3. That is basically just to show the importance that you rate a retweet or a favorite. Then you can capture 10 of your favorite hashtags and 10 of your favorite @ handles that you want to include in your tweets. And that is really all that you have to do on that page. Once you've done that, you've really set up your system. All you need to do then is to actually go to your tweet list and enter your tweets. Now, I've obviously entered some already, but this is where you enter your tweet information. But just before we enter one, if you have a look here, these are the categories, the campaigns, should we say, that you're using. If we scroll up to the top where it says this is your campaign. Now, in order to actually create a campaign, you need to go to the campaign list. So let's just go and take a look there. Here are the campaigns that I've already done. Let's add a new one in here. Let's just put here friendly tweets. So at the moment I haven't sent out any in that category. Let's go back here now to put in a tweet. Let's put in today's date, which is the 28th of November. We'll put the time in when we send the tweet. Let's just say that you all have a wonderful weekend! Exclamation mark. Now, if you want to add in any hashtag, let's just say we want to add in that hashtag. These are both local communities where I am. Let's put in those hashtags. And let's just say if you did want to add in a website, I'm not going to put one in here. Let's just leave it at that for now. It'll give you your count. There's the character count. If you did add in a website, let me just add in a website here. You have to start with the HTTP so it knows it's a website. And if you put here, I'll put my company website. That's not right. There we go. Spreadsheet-solutions.pw. If you enter that, it will do a character count, but it counts that whole website as 23 characters, as Twitter does. So it'll give you the exact character count that Twitter will do, because it takes the website as 23 characters. Also, what it does is it will acknowledge that there is actually a website link in there, provided you've got that HTTP in there. That's what it's looking for. It'll acknowledge that there's a website link in there, and it'll also it'll check your hashtags and @ handles on the first page, and it'll find those two hashtags, so it'll know that those two are in there. Then the idea is to have you attached an image, yes or no. I'm not going to attach one for this. You put 0 in here and 0 in there, because those are obviously your favorites and retweets. And then it asks you to select a campaign category. And if you go up here, you'll see there friendly. That's what we've added in. So they will put friendly in. Now we want to send this tweet. So let's just open up Twitter. And what you would do then is go there, click on that cell. But instead of copying here, if we actually just highlight the text up here, and you go right click, copy, then you click onto Twitter, and you pop it in there, right click and paste. There's your hashtags, everything as you had it. Then if you tweet, there it goes out. Now we can see obviously it's 9:37 at the moment that we've just tweeted. So if we go here 9:37 and we put that in, 0937. There we go. Everything done. It goes 68 characters. Now, as you receive retweets and favorites, you can actually change those two figures there as you go along, because obviously as you update these figures, it's going to give you much more specific information. Now let's have a look and see what we've got here. Top 5 tweets of all time. There they are, based on the point system that you've done. It shows you pictures or no pictures. At the moment, I've got an average number of points of 4.33 for pictures and 4.8 without pictures. So at the moment, it looks like the tweets without pictures are actually more successful. And if you scroll down here, it says website links or not. The ones with website links for me are more successful than the ones without website links as far as retweets and favorites are concerned. You can go to stats by tweet. If you scroll down, it tells you the number of characters. You can see that one I've just sent now is quite a short tweet compared to the normal length of tweets. But you can actually see the success rate. It'll give you the average points scored per tweet length. So you'll be able to see what kind of length is the tweet is the best to send over time. Here you can have a look at all your hashtags, top 10 hashtags, top 10 @ symbols. You see there it'll give you a breakdown as to the points per tweet and various other things. There's a number of tweets, retweets, favorite points, and all the rest of it. So you can see an average. So you can actually scroll through and you can see exactly which ones are better ones to be using. Stats by time as well. It'll give you the time of the tweet, and you can have a look at the graph there as far as what time of the tweet. So between 3 and 4 for me seems to be quite successful. You can also go over here and you can have a look at day by day, which day of the week is the most successful for you to be tweeting on. And then obviously you can go here by stats by campaign. Each campaign will tell you number of retweets, points per tweet. So you can actually go, and if you scroll down there, this graph goes across instead. And that really does give you quite a bit of information as far as what's going on with your tweets. So yes, I hope that this is something that you'd be interested in. If you are, please do take a look at the website. If you found this video through YouTube, take a look at the website. There'll be a link coming up shortly that you can click on to take you to the website. If you're already in the store on the website, then there should be a PDF brochure that you can download to have a look and see, get some more ideas. And there's a link where you can actually purchase this product. So yes, and one last thing about this tweet manager that I do just want to draw your attention to is that if you have a look here in the tweet list, you will notice that actually, scroll down to the bottom, there are only 500 spaces available. So once you've got to 500 tweets, it's actually completed, and you can't enter any more tweets. What I suggest you do with this to overcome this is that I suggest that you keep a blank copy of this document and then to actually use the save as function. So once you receive this document, save as, keep it as tweet manager or whatever, save it as tweet manager maybe for a specific month or for a period of time or whatever, tweet manager 1. And then once you've actually filled up all your 500 tweets, then what I suggest you do is open up tweet manager again, the blank document, and then do another one, save it as tweet manager 2 or the next period of time, which will then obviously allow you to have various tweet manager documents, each obviously having 500 tweets within them maximum. So yeah, we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.